Welcome, my name is David Kandia. Power Query enhances self-service business intelligence for Excel with an intuitive and consistent experience for discovering, combining, and refining data across a wide variety of sources, including relational, structured, and semi-structured, data, web, Hadoop, and much more. With Power Query, you can share and manage your queries as well as search data within your organization. Users in the enterprise can find and use the shared queries, if it is shared with them, to use the underlying data in the queries for their data analysis and reporting. With Power Query, you can find and connect data across a wide variety of sources. You can merge and shape data sources to merge your data analysis requirements or prepare it for further analysis and modeling by tools such as Power Pivot and Power View. You can also create custom views over data, use JSON Parser to create data visualizations over big data and Azure HD Insight. You can also perform data cleansing, import data from multiple log files, create a query from Facebook likes and render it on an Excel chart, pull data into Power Pivot from new data sources such as XML, Facebook, file folders, and refreshable connections. With Power Query 2.1 and later, you can also share and manage queries as well as search data within the organization. With Power Query, you can fetch data from various data sources. You can see from here, you can get a file from workbook, CSV, XML, from text, from folder. You can also fetch data from SQL Server, Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL Server Analysis Services, from Oracle Database, from IBM, and much more sources. You can also get data from the web, SharePoint lists, or data, and you can also create a new query. So in our example today, I'm giving you data from 3 zones, and this data is from Zone A, Zone B, and Zone C. So before you create a new query, the first step is to convert your data into tables. You can do that by going to the Home tab, then Format as Table. Then click on any of these, then click OK. Do that for Zone A and Zone B as well. Format, click there, then click OK. Sorry, you need to have selected the data before you do the formatting as table. Click that, or you can select anywhere inside the data set. You either select the data or you just click on one of the headers, then format as table, select that one, then OK. You realize that my Excel has created here custom fields, which I can call this Zone A for that name. Then we have here a Zone B. Now I can create a name for this, then call this Zone B, then Zone C for this. The next step is to create a blank query. You go to data, create a query, new query from other sources, but we create it as a blank query. Then wait for the query editor to load. There's a Power Query editor. On the formula field there, you now use the custom Power Query formula called Excel.current workbook. Current workbook. This must be spelled correctly by starting with capital E, capital C, and capital W. Then you press enter. When you press enter, you'll see Zone A, Zone B, and Zone C. Click on the middle here. Then we'll say we're going to use the original column name as prefix. Like that. Then click OK. Right. So we see a preview there of what's been imported. The shared headers up here. Then we have what's been imported here. Then after that, you close and load your data back to Excel. Alternatively, you can also define your data. If your data range has been defined as a name or range as or an Excel table, then Power Query will automatically sends the entire range of and load it into Query Editor for you. Plain data will automatically be converted to a table when it's loaded into the Power Query Editor. Thank you.